Before some time, animation is most difficult task to everyone because it's used to lots of power consumption and it's really difficult to understand of how it's working. But now we are here and our coming future is here with lots of innovations. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your imagination in a video through your text. So keep in mind a lot of tools available in the market right now, but some tools are terrible for use and I also do not expect any positive review about these websites this time. But we all know AI become cover the most of the creativity industry nowadays. With the help of AI, we can easily convert our thoughts and imagination into stunning visual and animations. One such powerful AI tool is Glaster. This AI system can generate realistic character and the video from just a text description. All you need to do is type in a detailed text prompt and Glaster will create a visually appealing character for you within seconds. The best part is you don't need any animation skills. Just describe the scenes, characters and moods in words and let Glaster do the rest. It can understand concepts like perspectives, lightings, colors and composition to produce high quality animations. So if you have a story or scene in your mind, Glaster can instantly bring it to life. You can use these AI generated animation in your videos, presentations, social media posts and more. It can save a lot of time and effort compared to manually creating animation or hiring animators. Before going into depth of this video, please hit the subscribe button for future updates. So, if you want to create an animation, please follow these steps. The first step is simply go to the Glaster website. You can find it by searching for Glaster on Google. When you arrive on the homepage, you will see the examples of animated videos created with Glaster as well as option to sign up or log in if you already have an account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up in just a minute. Once you are logged into the Glaster account, you will see the dashboard with different options. Look for the green button that say create now and click on it. This will take you to the video creation screen where you can start making your animated video. On the video creation scene, click the start button to begin. This will open the characters and scenes selection screen. On the right side of screen, you will see the library of animated characters you can choose from. The option include both human and animal cartoon character in various styles. Browse through the selection and click on the character you want to be star of your animated video. For example, we'll choose the animated lion character. The character select will appear in the main window so you can preview their animations. Now that you have choose your character, it's time to configure the voice and text settings. Select the language you want to the character to speak from the drop-down menu. For our video, we'll stick with English. Choose between a male or female voice from the option provided. We'll select the male voice for our lion character. In the text box below the character, type or paste the short paragraph of text you want your character to say in the video. You can come back and add more text later, but we'll start with the short first line. Once you have configured the character, voice and input the initial text, click the process button at the bottom of the text input box. Glaster AI will process the information and generate a short video preview of your character, speaking the text in the chosen voice. This preview will loop so you can check that everything looks good before moving to the next step. If you are happy with your character, voice and initial animation preview, click the continue button to move on. This will take you to the scene and template section screen. On the template screen, you will see a variety of background and scenes templates to choose from. Browse through the options and select the template you want to use for your character. The templates provide different context and settings for your animated character. For our line video, we'll choose the African safari scene. After choosing your template, click continue again. Glaster will now put together all your configurations and render out the full animated video with your character, voice and text. The rendering can take a few minutes depending on the length of your script. The platform will display a progress bar so you can see how long is left. Be patient and let the AI work its magic. Once rendering is complete, Glaster will display a preview of your finished animated video. You can watch it over to make sure you are happy with the final product. The animation and lip sync should match up nicely with the voice and script. If you need to adjust something, you can go back and modify any of your settings or add more text for your character to say. Otherwise, have an automated animated explainer video created in just a few clicks. If you are ready to use your completed animated video, All that's left is to download the file. Below the video preview, click the Save as MP4 button. Glitster will prepare the video file and you will be promoted to download the file to your email. The video will be saved locally so you can easily share it or upload it anywhere you want. I think you will understand how to generate animated video just with your text prompt. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and also click on subscribe for future updates.